Shakespeare uses Macbeth's role as a tragic hero to highlight how vulnerable people are to the destructive temptation of power. It's important to establish a tragic hero's nobility and high status at the start of a story, particularly in order to make their downfall even more impactful. For brave Macbeth, well, he deserves that name. O valiant cousin, worthy gentleman. Tragic heroes usually have a weakness, a fatal flaw, which will ultimately lead to their downfall. One thing that sets Macbeth apart from most tragic heroes is when he falls from grace. In most cases, we see a gradual fall of the tragic hero as an antagonist, or several, provoke the hero into making mistakes. Normally, this means they do not fall until later in the play. However, Macbeth considers murder as early as Act 1. If good, why do I yield to that suggestion whose horrid image doth unfix my hair and make my seated heart knock at my ribs against the use of nature? Tragic heroes will often experience a moment of anagnorisis, a moment where they discover the true nature of their situation. Blood will have blood. Be these juggling fiends no more believed. As we would expect in a tragedy, Macbeth dies towards the end of the play. However, perhaps what is most tragic for Macbeth is the moment he realises that it has all been for nothing. Life's but a walking shadow, a poor player, that struts and frets his hour upon the stage, and then is heard no more. It is a tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury, signifying nothing.